Hello, everyone. So now, we are going to do amazing science questions. Let's begin. Also before starting, do like, share, subscribe. I hope you have watched the previous video. The answer to it is option B, screw. Now let's begin today's questions. Which part of the human body has no blood supply? Right answer option B, cornea. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Right answer option C, sun. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Right answer option C, leaf. What is the center of an atom called? Right answer option D, nucleus. Which planet is called the red planet? Right answer option D, Mars. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of iodine? Right answer option C, goiter. Which element has the highest melting point? Right answer option C, tungsten. What is the SI unit of frequency? Right answer option D, hertz. What is bending of light when it passes from one medium to another called? Right answer option B, refraction. Which chemical is responsible for the pungent smell of onions and garlic? Right answer option B, sulfur compounds. Now it's your turn to answer. Which force pulls everything towards the center of the Earth? Do like, share, comment. Thank you.